Many viewers are interested in brain transplants because we heard about some experiments from some countries, which is, like I say, incredible. I would like to ask you, both of you, is it possible to transplant brains?
Maybe let me respond first. I think your question is whether to transplant the whole brain in human. Yes. I think at the moment is not possible. Of course, I'm not ruling it out in the future, but in the present moment, already one can transplant cells into the human brain and replace certain function, like for example, in Parkinson patients, you can transplant cells to produce dopamine and all that. So hopefully, maybe with the development of new techniques, it can be done. I don't know. Maybe Professor MOSER can comment on this.
Yeah, I think I agree with you. I don't see how one can transplant a whole brain simply because that brain has to connect to all of the rest of the body, and that is I don't see how you can obtain the necessary specificity to do that. That sounds very much like science fiction to me. But I also agree with Professor So that if you don't ask about whole brains, but just single cells, you can actually, and there are many examples where, like in Parkinson patients, where you can actually plant those cells and they can grow in the brain and then take over function and integrate into the network. But that is at a different level. But I think whole brain transplant does not sound like a very realistic thing, and probably not even anything I would consider desirable.